leaving the safe area. Now entering a safe area. Alert. Detecting hostiles. Area secure. Warning, now leaving the safe area. Contaminated area. Warning, hostile forces approaching. safe area. You are now entering a safe. Warning. Hostile forces approaching. Area successfully defended. Warning. You are now leaving the safe area. Readings indicate this area is safe. Warning. You are now leaving the safe area. Readings indicate this area is safe. Warning. Hostile presence detected. Area successfully defended. Warning. Now we're exiting the safe area. Now entering a safe area. Warning. Hostile presence detected. detected.
What the Sigma? If you there? Skip it. Oh, okay. I don't know what game to play.
Area defended. Warning. Now leaving the safe area. Now entering a safe area.
If you have any good games, I'm bored as hell.
Warning. Hostile forces approaching.
I'm not prank Papa. I already got every single one. I'm gamer. Pro.
Ooh, hello.
Hello. Any good games to play? I'm fucking bored.
Any good games?
I'm bored. I don't want to play Dewey. I don't want to play Guts and Black Powder. I don't want to play Town.
Ah,
I don't know.
you could. Well, I mean, what genre of game do you want? If you were to like pick.
I don't know, man.
Okay. Okay.
It's a desperate
'Cause-
situation right now.
Because you don't seem like the type to want to grind fighting games much anymore.
Area secure.
No.
Depends.
Depends. Or you could take group's advice in the voice chat and run combat.
What the fuck is that
initiation.
game? I've heard of it, I think. But
It's just Ultra Kill by Roblox.
Never played Ultra Kill.
This guy's cool.
What?
No.
Huh? What did I join?
I feel like you'll like the game. I think.
Better be the
'cause
greatest game of all time.
No,
If
it's
it's not,
fast
I'm-
paced. It's fast.
Oh,
It's
lovely.
that.
Unable
So
to
you're
load
just
private
gonna-
servers. Unable to load private servers.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I think that's just Roblox like crashing.
Unable to load private servers. Unable to load private servers. Finally.
Yo.
Okay, I'm in. What the Sigma?
God. What?
Damn, my avatar looks amazing.
I know, right? Also,
This
some
better
of
be
the...
Probably the greatest game I've
Accessories.
ever played.
Yeah, I think you'll like it. Just not to the point where you grind it on a daily basis.
Better be Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. You know what? I gotta play my jam real quick. Hold on.
Oh no.
Gonna play the jam.
Oh no.
This is amazing.
No. Oh god. This is the third time.
Hey, what do I pick? Biff.
What do you want to be?
Oh fucking no. Slingshot. No. Oh, paintball.
No, you can choose
Sword and
a total
slingshot?
of 3 gears.
Okay.
You could stick with swords, yeah. And probably bombs.
Immediate medical assistance needed.
So the main objective in this game is to just kill everything
You are now
you see
entering a safe
that
area.
moves. You can press space to dash away from them.
Warning.
Sigma
Incoming
boy.
hostiles.
Try pressing space. If it works.
Oh.
Yeah, it does. You can also super dash, if I recall. I don't know how to do it. But I haven't played the game in such a long time.
Use E, look down, then use sword. Dash and jump. They're telling you what to do. Ah, the goober is a mega pro. Press E, then F.
Area successfully defended.
We knew nothing apparently.
On slingshot. Press E, then F on slingshot. I think that's... Oh, you can parry. Gotta parry something, like the ranged attacks, probably.
Oh, so the way parrying works in this game is that you have to slash the incoming projectile.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
It goes where you're looking from the look of it.
Warning.
So the same applies when you use your slingshot. When you press E with the slingshot and F at the same time, it sends the slingshot ball or the ball from the slingshot towards them.
okay.
But it does like
It's
I
the
think,
same
extra
thing as
damage.
parrying your own bullets to make it go
Yeah.
faster.
So it's
Yeah,
basically
you
just
shot a
better.
gun, but the gun isn't fast enough, so you punch it to go faster.
This makes perfect sense.
Yeah, obviously, you're just adding more momentum.
Biff, is the stream killing itself or no?
No, it's pretty good.
Okay. Because for some reason, my Discord refuses to actually live itself today. I don't know why. It just refuses to be normal sometimes. I don't like it.
Hey, dude. Nah.
What? Oh,
Buy weapons.
weapon?
You can buy more weapons.
Oh,
You have 100? Or
kinda
how
poor,
many do
though.
you have? Ooh.
Ooh.
RPG.
Ooh. I like that.
Can't you rocket jump in this?
What the Sigma?
RPG has big damage, low cooldown.
Sounds like to me.
Oh yeah, that's
What
the
the
coin.
what the Sigma's
Okay.
that?
Oh god. It's police brutality. Police brutality. Quick. Tell them you're not black.
I'll think about it. Do I actually have to
Oh
melee them?
damn. Terrorism.
Yeah.
The police's weakness. Terrorism.
You are now in safe area.
What the fuck do these do?
Oh my
You're
days.
throwing coins. It's like the coin where you can ricochet or parry the coin into people.
Oh, okay.
Warning. Hostile forces approaching.
Yeah, that's Arbiter. Just think of it as Arbiter. You have to press F twice in the convenient.
If you look in the corner of your screen, it tells you how many like of those balls you got that you can throw. Oh. This is just Payday with no money.
What a beautiful.
No, like I'm saying this is like the average Payday game, right? Except you're not robbing a bank, you're not robbing anything, you're just killing people.
Killing innocent civilians.
Yeah, I'm surprised all these civilians are brave enough to try and take down the mass murderer.
That's because they're retarded. That's why.
Ah, so that's why you're here.
Yeah, of course. Why else do you think I'm here?
Makes
You're in
sense.
this Discord server, you have no IQ anyways. Including me. You've made
Yeah,
the worst
what did you
decision coming
expect?
here.
Oh, I got banned off here actually.
I'm so proud of you.
I don't know. I don't remember how either. They never gave me a ban message.
It's from a bot they give that like it sends you in your DMs.
Yeah, I know, but it never told me what it like the reason.
Well, you could probably just ask
Yeah.
if you really want to.
I did. Nobody responded.
Area defended.
Oh. I don't know, just ask
So,
some
like,
mod, like Yoshi, Turian. They respond quick.
This was years ago, before the
Oh.
server died and reset.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this
Oh, I mean, I
this
don't-
was the old server. I was just playing a game in VC with some randoms. Red joined. Was it
Oh
Red?
yeah, that's ancient. Never mind.
Yeah, ancient ban, and then all of a sudden,
fuck?
I like after the game ended.
Where's Jason?
After. Where's Jason?
No fucking. The hell are you?
Oh, there's Jason.
Hey.
Oh, you might want to use.
Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. Get out of
Harry.
here.
Oh,
like
I think you enraged him. Oh yeah, you got him mad.
Safe area.
Yeah,
Oh, what the
you can
Sigma?
dash
Wow,
away.
what the Sigma?
You can dash away with.
Wait, what's the parry button again?
You, F? Was it F
Oh.
to parry? I think it was F to parry and space to dash.
Yeah. No, with that space to dash is shift.
No, shift to dash.
What the fuck?
Click to parry. That's what they're saying. I don't know what.
I don't know what it is. I don't play this game.
Server
off.
lives 3
Fuck
every
off.
time you
Oh shit.
rocket jumped. Oh, he's on the run.
I'm on the run.
5 seconds left until rocket. Oh damn!
I got fucking mobbed.
You got one more life.
Come here,
You
Jason.
missed. Oh no.
Oh, stop that.
Keep parrying. Parry-God. He's almost dead.
Holy shit. Not even close. Out of scratch.
You can choose. Yeah,
like
boost
that.
trust.
Too poor.
You're choosing the alcohol.
I saw less cooldown, so I want to full auto my rocket launcher.
It gives you less cooldown, but it makes you dizzy.
I'll be fine. Fuck you mean C on a score? I did 15,000. Is that not good enough? Why am I? Well, I'm a pro, I guess.
Warning. Hostile
What the
presence
Sigma?
detected.
Oh. Oh, what the? Do I regen HP slowly? Ow, ow. Ow! What the fuck? Can I just... Oh. This fucking slingshot gun sucks. I wonder if that paintball gun's good.
Warning. Now leaving the safe area.
Oh shit. Oh. Can I get a different gun? Oh. What the fuck?
Do you... Oh,
Biff, is there like a better gun I can get? Cause this fucking slingshot sucks ass.
what? Didn't you get access to the shop?
Yeah, but I don't know.
Okay, so there's a
But
shop.
I've got
every,
but I got
like-
this little thing called an RPG.
Oh, no, that's good.
Yeah.
You're just gonna have to wait for the shop to come back, because you can upgrade your current items.
That's not fun. This slingshot does no damage.
Do you
It
have your
fucking-
dash?
tickles
The
them.
main... Yeah, the main mechanic in this game is your dash, because you can basically... You can fly over the map
Oh!
like Sledge Queen. Yeah, there you go.
Shop. What the hell? Bro, I can't buy anything. I'm poor. No.
Because you wasted it on the rocket launcher.
Yeah, but they're pretty good, right?
Yeah, it's also pretty good. You just need to wait another wave. So you can get 100 more tickets.
I demand more drugs in my system. How else can I full auto the rocket launcher? More drugs. More. I need more.
Oh my god.
I require more sustenance. Why is my screen so weird looking? A few more drugs never hurt. A few more drugs never hurt. A few more drugs never hurt.
Yeah.
A few more drugs never hurt. A few more drugs never hurt. Okay, does it make my rocket inaccurate as fuck? Something at least. A few drugs never hurt. I need more. No, you fuck.
Is Shim online? Shin's the only person I know that grinds this game a lot.
Well, since my rocket has the least accuracy in the fucking planet. What is that?
Just use your slingshot.
Oh, hey there.
Your slingshot is infinitely usable.
There's a demon schneeman coming after me. I don't like him. I have to drink my drugs. I can't shoot my RPG. I require more drugs.
You can drink the drugs again. Do it.
I'm trying to.
Heavily armored
What the
hostile
fuck?
detected.
It did nothing. It literally did nothing. There you go.
Damn.
You know what I want to see?
I can't aim a gun. I'll just go up to them and kill them. Hey there. You heard. I don't like that.
3, 2, oh. Oh, damn. Out of nowhere.
What the? Sorry, he doesn't die from that?
You can
Oh, I dodged it.
actually.
A few more drugs never hurt anyone.
But since you're already in a run, I can't actually like